trust, tiwala, confidence, kumpiyansa. Alam nyo, kaya ho natin sinasabi ho to, kasi natatandaan nyo, si President incoming, Duterte, sabi niya, doon ho sa, naging maaga ho kasi ang pagsalita ho ni Peter Cayetano ata na something to do na bibigyan ho ng posisyon si Vice President Lenny. Nung tinanong ho si Digong, nasa balita naman ho to, balikan lang ho natin, sabi ho niya, that never entered my mind. It's not trying to be smart aleck, but I'm still trying to figure out this election in my own group and party. I shouldn't be looking beyond my borders. Tanong ho kung anong magiging posisyon ni Vice President Lenny. Nung siya ho'y talagang eto pa, medyo sinundan. At talagang parang pinagyandiin. Medyo may kunting, hindi naman siya nairita. Diretso ho magsalita itong si Digong. Sabi niya, no. I don't even know her. Why should I talk to her? I've said I've not considered anything for her. I'm more worried about where I would place the friends na nagkautang na loob ako. Sa parting ho yan, nag-umpisa ho trust and confidence. Okay, hindi niya kilala si Lenny. Or hindi kaya may nasabi itong si Lenny nung siya'y tumatakbo sa ilalim ho ng kulay dilaw na ang kanyang president running mate ay si Rojas na talagang balljack dito, balljack doon, tira dito, tira doon. Offensive ho nila at the time. So kaya parang kay Digong, kulay dilaw ka, diyan ka lang. Baka mahawa ako eh. Bakit ho nasabi ito ni Digong? Merong something na we don't know that something is happening and something is something. Alam niyo na ho yun, hindi ba? O nga naman, siyempre, unahin mo muna yung mga immediate team na yung pinagkakatiwalaan na bubuo ho sa gabinete. And at the same time, wala pa ho si Lenny roon. Kaya si Lenny nag-up. Hello? Kumakatok ho si Lenny sa palasyo. Humihingi ako ng appointment! Just keep on knocking. Wala akong oras! Okay. Sino kumakatok? Sabi, wala akong oras! Okay, that's it. Naintindihan niyo ba? Sino kumakatok at sino sumagot kanina? Wala akong oras! Sabi namang isa, we can agree to disagree. Ay, sabi ng isa, you better disagree so I can agree. Okay, ano yung agree? I agree with you to disagree. Okay, nilihilo na ho ba kayo? I'm only here to be with you so that I can agree to disagree. Sabi naman ng isa, go ahead, disagree so I can agree with you and disagree with you as well. Eto, nakakahilo na. Alam niyo, Jose, madali ho mag-appoint kahit sino. Ikaw. You, and you, and you, and you. I appoint you to be my cabinet members. Hindi ho ganun. Siyempre, the people that you'll be appointing, number one is, may pamantayan na pinagkakatiwalaan ho. Ang ibig sabihin salitang Ingles, trust. Maliban ho sa pinagkakatiwalaan mo, may dunong. Dahil sa dunong na yan, magkakaroon ka ng kumpiyansa, confidence, and competence. Get it? Dahil may dunong yan, magkakaroon ka ng kumpiyansa, so therefore, competence and confidence. Ano man ang mauna, vice versa, may dunong ka, kaya may kumpiyansa. Or may kumpiyansa sa iyo kasi may dunong ka, kaya ka pinagkakatiwalaan. Kapag hindi ka kilala, paano ka mabibigyan? Get it? So sabi ho ni Digong, I don't know her. Oh, okay. If you don't know her, how can you trust somebody? Well, better get to know her. Kaya sabi ng isa, hello, hihingi ako ng appointment. Sabi ng isa, wala pa akong oras. Tsaka isa pa, wala pa naman ako sa Malacanang.